So I will start off, so I'm just going to start off just kind of going into the video, no intro or anything. This is the L'Oreal True Match foundation. I have not used this foundation in like, I would say probably 10 years, but I got this one for $1, so I figured, hey, I could try it out, see if I like it still. I did like it then, but then again, my makeup knowledge was very not good. This is a very light shade, so I'm wondering if it will be pretty good of a match. We will see. I'm just going to put some here in my beauty blender. And we shall see. Maybe we can blend it. I haven't used this in a while. Normally L'Oreal products tend to irritate my eyes, so I don't tend to gravitate towards them. Oh my goodness. So far the shade match isn't too bad. I thought it would be way too light, but then maybe I'm the one who's been picking wrong shades this whole time. Maybe. For a drugstore foundation, everyone seems to pretty much like this. And it's not that expensive considering, like, L'Oreal never really changed the prices on it from like back in the day, 10 years ago. It is a, not to say like old product, not the one that I'm using, but like it is like something that's been on their shelves and in their line for quite some time, which is kind of nice to see in a product. I mean, some lines are just coming out with new stuff and kicking stuff out constantly, and that's kind of, you know, how can we maintain something and love stuff if it just keeps leaving? So I am going to add a tiny bit more. Just I'm going to add a tiny bit more, so in just a couple areas, just to see coverage and how it builds. When I used this before, back 10 years ago, it makes me seem like I'm mega old, but I'm not. I'm only 30. Anyways, there, I use my fingers, so, and now I pretty much religiously apply foundation with the Beauty Blender. I just think that it works great, and like I can really tell how I like a foundation if, because when I love something and it applies really great with the Beauty Blender, then I know it's great. Okay, so that looks actually really good. It's not mega full coverage. There is some spots that I can see my natural skin through, but I feel as if it is a tiny bit too light on my skin right now. So we are going to have to just kind of put some browns on there, maybe a little bit of a darker powder, but I'm just going to see how my concealer that I would normally use applies over top of it. So I'm going to apply some Maybelline Age Rewind on my under eye circles. I always apply a little bit on my eyelids because I feel like it just kind of lightens them up a little bit. So I'm going to blend that out, and then I will go in with some Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. The Maybelline Age Rewind, I have it in the like highlighting brightening one, so it's like the pink tone one. I've always only bought that one. It's just one I like the most, I guess. It kind of reminds me of calamine lotion though, because it's so pink. But it really kind of framed my eyes really nicely. Okay, so normally my problem with foundation and concealer is I have like it problem building up right here. So like when if I squint and you can see like there's little lines, it'll just kind of stay like that. So that's kind of how I judge like a concealer. If it's like a full coverage foundation, I try to stay away from my under eye area, but sometimes it's like one of those habit things that you just kind of put it there. So I'm just gonna do some concealer in regular places that I just need some maybe concealing. I've been like I don't know if it's because I'm wearing a little bit more makeup than I normally would, but I feel like I've been breaking out a little bit more than I should. And also could be other reasons such as birth control change or what have you. We'll see. We'll see when things kind of balance themselves out. So I'm putting stuff here on my chin. Far, I think it's actually looking really good. It's kind of hard for me to judge because I don't really like how my skin looks when there's like nothing else on it. So I think I'm gonna powder, use my Fit Me powder that I've been loving, and just like an e.l.f. mineral powder brush, and I'm gonna kind of set under my eyes because this can be really a true test to see how a foundation absorbs or fits with a powder. I mean, you have to kind of, like, you love a powder, but if I can, you know, it's kind of hard because you can like love a foundation and then you can love a powder, but sometimes those things just don't mix. I'm just gonna kind of set in certain areas. It's nice because I don't have to set so much on my nose anymore because I'm not wearing glasses in the day. I got my contacts. I wasn't wearing contacts for a long time because I kind of had a bad experience, but I kind of revisited it and now I've been liking it. I'm going to set on my eyes because I put some concealer there. I just put some in the lid, tap a little bit of product in the lid, and then just kind of use what's up in there, and then I can just powder from there. So I think it kind of, it doesn't look like skin. It still kind of looks like you're wearing makeup, so I don't know about that part of it. That's why I really like the Rimmel Match Perfection, because it just does look like skin. It's like dewy, kind of moisturizing, really nice. This one, I kind of feel like it's kind of emphasizing things that I wouldn't want normally emphasized, like some raised areas that I have. I don't know. I'm gonna go and do my other makeup in a different video. So I'm gonna go and do my other makeup, and I will be... I did finish my rest of my makeup. I used the Urban Decay Naked palette. I did a video on it that will be up after this one, so you can see what look we created. It's kind of like a revisit the Naked palette, so you will see. But I sprayed my face with this Soa, I think it's Soa, or Soho, New York. I don't know. I don't know how to say that, but I really like it. It's a revitalizing rose mist that I got from Walmart. It's capturing the potent, revitalizing benefits of the Provence rose, strawberries, raspberries, and replenish moisture and soothe and refresh the skin. So I really like it. It doesn't have a bad smell or anything, so I'm gonna actually reapply some because it's fun. But it's not fun to get in your eyes, so close your eyes. So I do actually like it. It doesn't have a bad smell. It's kind of like baby rose kind of smell. I don't know. But it kind of made the foundation actually settle really nicely. So just maybe I would use a setting spray. I feel like everyone's using them nowadays. And they have them also in drugstore versions. So I do, overall, I don't think I will repurchase this, and I will probably use this up. But so far, I like it better than the foundation I wore earlier today. This is kind of late at night that I reapplied makeup, because that's just how I roll. But yeah, I don't know. I have some expression lines on my forehead that I always kind of check to see how foundation is settling. And so far, it's not like too bad. I mean, there's really not much you can avoid with that one, but you know, it is what it is. So yeah, I think that it's actually overall really nice. The blush that I put on is the Essence Love and Sound blush. I think it's from the Urban Decay, not the Urban Decay, the Justin Bieber thing, but it's kind of like an ombre blush. It's real pretty. And the lipstick that I'm wearing is from Urban Decay. It's a tea tiny one, and it's violet. I think it's violet. It's a cream. I don't know how to say stuff. That's my bad. Don't you tell me. Actually, you can. I don't know. Maybe correct me. So yeah, so overall, I think that foundation's pretty good. It's not my favorite drugstore foundation at this point, but I did like it, and I will use it up. The one that I used today, I'm not going to use that up. It's like the liquid Maybelline Dream Liquid kind of thing. I don't know. It's rather old. I don't even think they have that in the store anymore, but oh well. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you did like this video, go ahead and give a thumbs up if it was helpful to you. And don't forget to subscribe so you see more videos such as this. And I will talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.